Our new family of DM extender products gives you two easy ways to deploy 4K 60 fiber: familiar transmitter and receiver boxes, or transmitter and receiver cards installed in a brand new dedicated 2-rack space 4K 60 fiber card chassis. The transmitter and receiver boxes can be connected to each other on a one-to-one basis to extend HDMI long distance and provide local HDMI switching. Or they can be deployed as endpoints connected to the cards in the chassis in a larger system. To be clear, the chassis is not a matrix switch. It serves as a power supply and consolidation point only. Any combination of transmitter or receiver cards can be loaded into the chassis to make any configuration possible. The chassis accommodates up to 8 4K 60 fiber cards. For easy integration, it's typically located near a DM switcher, such as an 8x8 or 16x16. Let's put together a sample system to show you how it works. First, connect the source to the transmitter box. Then, connect the transmitter output to the receiver card and the receiver card to the switcher. The switcher output then goes to the transmitter. Connect the transmitter output to the receiver, and for the last step, the receiver to the display. Now, let's build out the rest of the system. We'll repeat the process, adding transmitter and receiver boxes and populating the chassis with transmitter and receiver cards as needed. Remember, you can have from 1 to 8 cards in the chassis in any combination or slot. Add other sources and displays to the DM switch as you normally would. Only DM gives you the flexibility to mix HD-based copper and fiber in the same matrix for a complete 4K 60 end-to-end solution. Now let's look at the network connections. Connect each of the LAN ports on the cards to a network switch. The beauty is you only need to connect the cards. The network is extended to the remote transmitters and receivers over the DM fiber connections. That said, you could alternatively connect the LAN at the remote transmitter or receiver end. With these connections in place, you can monitor and manage every fiber card, endpoint, and device over the network, just like the rest of your DM system. Here are a few more common applications. Easily convert any meeting room with DM into a fiber room. Simply add a fiber transmitter and receiver to the room, and connect to the central card chassis to enable sharing of content to and from that meeting space over long distance. Or connect entire floors or buildings with fiber so you can share content anywhere, up to 10 kilometers away, across a campus, for example. With DM 4K 60 fiber solutions, you can share any source anywhere. Now that's flexible.